I've been building this YouTube channel for around about 6 years.
Getting a little tired though. God, I'm exhausted.
But if I was to start a YouTube channel today, this is how I would do it.
Yeah, bitch! Magnets! Oh!
1. Pick the topic. You can't start a YouTube channel and just throw anything at the dartboard. If you're talking about crisps and lights and a wall and a microphone, and I'm just naming things that I can see, your favourite drink, your favourite computer game, that is too random for you to grow an audience. If you happen to be PewDiePie and you start talking about these things, that's fine because you've already got an audience base built within it and people will watch it no matter what. But you initially have to find an audience base based around a topic or an interest. Something that you could talk about for hours and hours and hours on end. For me, it's YouTube because I already teach it to my clients. I just take the lessons that I've learned or the questions that they ask me and I make them into videos. For you, it could be your hobby or something that you are learning to do. Do you want to show how well you can cook? Or do you want to show me how you're studying for your nursing degree? Great. Now you've got a topic that you know you can talk about forever and a day. Go out and record 10 videos.
That's a 10.
Obviously, set up your YouTube channel, do the banner, the description, figure out the niche that you're in, the thumbnail style that you like, but go out and record 10 YouTube videos.
10! A 10! A fucking 10!
Nobody's expecting you to upload at this point. The reason why you're banking these is that you now know that you've got content that you could drip feed out. The initial passion of, yeah, I need to make content is funneled into content in itself, and you don't do the whole 10 videos in one day and then disappear. Upload 5 of these videos. This is how you start your channel. Publishing. Why 5? Well, this is a lesson that I learned from MatPat from, game theory. Every time he launches a channel, he uploads 5 videos because when the algorithm kicks in and you arrive at this brand new channel, you watch a video that you really, really love and then you want to go off and find other content. If there's none, then the session has ended.
Game over!
Intruder destroyed.
You've watched one 12-minute video, but that's it for today, and you might forget the channel, you might not subscribe to the channel, and YouTube says that you arrived and then left. But if there's 5 videos, you can arrive at that one video, and then they can binge watch all the other videos. So instead of one 12-minute video, they've watched 5 12-minute videos. It's an hour's worth of watch time. You've engaged, you've maybe fallen in love with the personality of the person hosting that video, you subscribed, you're interested, you're intrigued, you've joined the community. And then with the other 5 videos of your 10, you can drip feed them out. Whether it's 1 a week, 2 a week, basically it's just a minimum of 1 a week. But you also need to, in the background, be replacing these videos from that video bank. Why?
Why?
If you're publishing 1 video a week and recording 2 videos a week in the background, you'll always have the ability to be less stressed when creating your content. You know that, okay, this video can take 3 or 4 days to record because I've got 2 in the background that I can swap in if needed. If I'm not feeling well, if I need to go to a funeral or a wedding, or if I'm just going on holiday, I know that I've got 2 weeks worth of content at 1 video a week.
I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-T.
This also helps you stay ahead of the curve because there's nothing more annoying, and I've done it myself. I'll bulk record 5 or 6 videos, I'll plan on drip feeding them out, I then drip feed them out and then I run out of energy and I haven't recorded any more, and then it kind of stagnates. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, consistency is key. Over the last 6-7 years, I've published at least 1 video each and every week. And the reason it's at least 1 a week is because it remains consistent. The audience doesn't forget me. The algorithm doesn't forget me. Could I publish more? Should I publish more? Yes. But if I'm recording 5 a month and I'm dropping out 1 a week, I've got some in the bank and it can help me. In fact, I've got a bulk record a load in the next week or so anyway to carry me through into the new year. And how I'm doing that is I'm going to be bulk recording and planning them using this great tool called Creative Fuel. I can go out there, I can have a look at the videos that I know do really, really well, and I can either reimagine them or I can click on it and I can pull out video ideas from comments of my videos and my rivals' video channels. So I can have a look at Nick Nimmin or Roberto Blake, find a video that I like the look of, click the comments button, it will read through his video comments, and anytime there's a question that they're asking Nick, I can then go, oh, that's a good video idea. I could make a video out of that or a YouTube short out of that. I could write down 4 or 5 of these, record those videos. And best of all right now, Creator Fuel has a free tier. So you get all of this freedom and creative juice, so to speak, from a browser plugin. I'm sure I'll put the link in the description. So I've got the videos up. I'm drip feeding one out each and every week. I'm growing the audience. I'm engaging with the audience. I'm answering their questions based on Creative Fuel's comments. Now I need to consider how to monetize it, whether it happens to be a link to Amazon for a product or service, or in Creative Fuel itself, it has a monetization tab. You click on the monetization, it suggests a few sponsors that you might want to use. If you keep up the process of one video a week and you share them out to your friends, you will grow.